All right, let's jump right in. In the next few minutes, we're going to do a rapid-fire rundown of the AI news that's quietly changing, well, everything, from the backrooms of Washington, D.C., all the way to the apps on your phone.
Because, while we're all mesmerized by the flashy new features, the real power moves are happening behind the scenes. They're shaping the future of this tech before it even reaches us.
And that's exactly where we're going to start, with the huge strategic moves that big tech companies are making right this second to control the whole direction of artificial intelligence. We're going to kick this off with a pretty staggering number. We are talking tens of millions of dollars. That's how much money Meta is pumping into a pro-AI super PAC. And this isn't some casual donation. It's a dead serious push to influence policy. So what's the end game here? Well, it's pretty clear, isn't it? By bankrolling this group, Meta is trying to directly steer policy in its favor. This is all about shaping the future of innovation on their own terms. And honestly, it's a classic big tech power play. So here's your takeaway, your AI edge. Follow the money. Seriously, the biggest trends aren't always in the latest product announcements. They're buried in the political spending reports. If you watch these moves, you can spot the next big shift way before anyone else. Now, while some companies are playing politics, others are focused on the next massive technical leap. IBM and AMD, they're betting the farm on quantum computing. Look, the generative AI we use today is incredible at creating stuff from data that already exists. But quantum AI, that's a whole different ballgame. It promises breakthroughs that could solve problems our current computers can't even begin to tackle.
And that right there shows you the long game. So for real, keep quantum computing on your radar. It could absolutely be the secret sauce, the power-up hiding inside the AI tools you'll be using tomorrow. Okay, let's shift gears. Let's pull back from those massive future-shaping strategies and talk about the upgrades happening right now in the tools you probably use every single day.
First up, Google Translate is getting a major glow up. And it kind of looks like it's taking a page from Duolingo's playbook. You can now jump in and practice with interactive exercises, get immediate feedback on your pronunciation, and just build up your confidence with help in real time. It's becoming so much more than just a translation tool.
So the takeaway here is awesome. Your language game just got a huge boost. Google Translate is basically morphing into your own personal language tutor and your must-have travel buddy, all in one. And Google isn't stopping there. Its AI image model Gemini just got a serious injection of power. We're talking sharper, way more vivid images, some fun creative styles built right in, and it's just plain faster at making pictures. The quality jump is really noticeable. So if you do anything that involves visuals, marketing, content creation, design, this is your new edge. You can use Gemini's new firepower to create visuals that are truly gonna pop and stand out from the crowd.
Speaking of productivity, you've got to meet Claude Agent from Anthropic. The easiest way to think about it is like an AI sidekick that literally lives inside your Chrome browser. It's built to help you write, do research, and just multitask way better, all without having to leave the tab you're in. The benefit here is, it's kind of a no-brainer, but it's so powerful. Having that AI assistant right there in your workflow means you're going to save a ton of time and stay in the zone. It just gets rid of all that friction from jumping between different apps. Okay, so we've seen AI flexing in politics and upgrading our daily apps. Now let's dive into how it's starting to show up in more personal and, sometimes more controversial parts of our lives.
$50 million. That's how much funding a company called Assort Health just locked down. And their mission? To use AI to completely automate all those phone calls that clog up doctors' offices, so the staff can actually focus on patient care. And this brings up a fascinating question for every single one of us. When it comes to something as personal as your health, how would you feel about talking to an AI to schedule an appointment or ask a question? This is a totally new frontier.
Now, from a business perspective, especially if you're in health tech, the edge is crystal clear. This kind of automation can save an incredible amount of time and, if they get it right, could make the whole patient experience way more efficient. Here's another interesting case. The Libby Library app, which so many people love, just rolled out AI-powered book recommendations. And while some people are excited about a new way to find books, a lot of the hardcore library fans are pushing back. They prefer a human touch over an algorithm. But here's the other side of that coin. Your AI edge here could be to just embrace it. Yeah, it might shake things up, but these AI recommendations could help you stumble upon some amazing hidden gems and find your next favorite book so much faster. So, after seeing all these developments, from Washington to your personal apps, the big question is, how can you actually use all this? To make it concrete, let's spotlight a few tools built specifically to give you that AI edge right now. For instance, if you're in marketing, a tool like Writer can help you churn out blogs and copy. For all you developers, Black Box AI is a super powerful coding assistant. Creators, you should check out Captions, which is an AI-powered video editor. And for anybody building presentations, Pitch uses AI to make the whole process way more collaborative. And that brings us to the end. Looking at everything we just covered, from Meta's political chess game to an AI in your library app, I want to leave you with this question. Which of these updates do you honestly think will change your world the most?